Good morning guys, today I'm going to give a review on an infrared non-contact thermometer. So the benefits of having a non-contact thermometer is we don't have to directly contact the thermometer with the patient's body. So it helps to prevent the almost the viruses which will transfer by contacting. So if you see in the back side we have the display of the thermometer and 4 buttons, and the front side we have the sensor and the button. So this thermometer uses uses two AA batteries. You can see two AA batteries. Close the lid, and for turning on the thermometer, just press this button. Yeah, now it's turned on, and it just took a reading also. So for taking the reading again, you have to just hold it like this, like whichever object you want to take the temperature. I prefer the body temperature, so just press it one more time. So now you can see what is the temperature. So that 35.9, that's the temperature of my hand right now. So for turning off the backlight, you have to just press the top button which has the bulb logo on it. So the backlight is turned on. For turning on, just press it one more time, and now you can see whenever I take a temperature, there is a beep sound. So for switching off the beep sound, so some people doesn't like that sound. So for turning on the beep sound, just press this speaker button one time. So now it will take the reading, but there won't be any sound. So like again, for turning it on, just press it one more time, and you can see now the sound is there. See, the sound is there. Again, if you turn on, there is no sound. Okay, and one more benefit of this thermometer is you can see the temperature in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. So for changing from, now it is shown in Celsius, so if you want to change it to Fahrenheit, just press the bottom button for a few seconds. Okay, wait, turned off. So in 15 seconds, if you are not using the thermometer, it turns off. So it helps to save the battery also. So I'm turning it on again. So from to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, just press this button for a few seconds. Yeah, now it is changed to Fahrenheit mode. So you can see. Yeah. So again, to change it to Celsius mode, just again press and hold it for a few seconds. Yeah, and it goes back to Fahrenheit mode. You can see the two arrow buttons on the both sides. So you can save up to 50 logs. 50 logs means like 50 like up to 50 people's temperature you can save it. Old person's temperature you want to see, then you can just press this left button, and you can go back. You can scroll through the 50 logs. So it is a history of the people you have taken the temperature. So it's a good thing. Up to 50 temperature reading you can save it in this device. Okay. So it's a good device because now this corona thing and all is happening. So it's better to use non-contact thermometers rather than using a normal basic thermometer. So hope you guys like the video. If you have any doubt in this thermometer, you can just leave it in the comments and I'll answer to it. So please like and subscribe. It helps a lot.